Hey, how to import your gun into Blender for animation? Here. Okay. First, join the gun to the rig. I've already done it. I went and shot it to the right arm, as you can see. Right here with this mode 60. Very simple. Open Cautions Blender plugin. Yes, this one. Okay, go to rigging. Remember to update it to the latest version, right? Go to click your model, right? All the custom parts. Everything has to be inside a model, and then just pick from selection. Boom. And then if it has this blue, this green shit thing here, it means it's safe to export. So just export it. Yeah, I already have it exported. Yeah, okay. Now you're gonna want to open your Blender rig file, which I have a left-right rig right here, and go to import new object. Yes. Fuck. Where's that? Ah, here we go. Winchester weapon rig. Okay. And click OK. So the gun is parented to the arm. You want it to act like it's actually parented to the torso, so the arm can move freely and touch the gun and like reload it and stuff. So, here's a common technique that I do. So you go into edit mode, grab the gun bone, and then you Control D, duplicate it, and then in this one, you will remove it from the right arm and probably put it on the torso or wherever you want. Yep. And then you go back into post mode, and then you select the duplicated one first. You can tell by it having a 001 here, and then you select duplicate, and then you select this one, the original bone. Control Shift C, and copy transform. Yeah, so now you just hide the original bone away, and then you have this one. So now it acts like this. Yeah, so now the arms can move freely without touching or the gun doing anything, and it acts as though it's attached to the torso. I just realized the arms don't actually move the arms, so what you're going to do is select the arm. So it's this thing. Right, so it's right shoulder, and then you go into edit mode, right shoulder. This only works for like a custom rig, by the way. It depends on the rig, but usually it will work. So you're just gonna remove it, and then put it on the gun. What? Winchester. Okay, remember, put it on the duplicated bone, not the original bone, or else you will die. Actually, putting on the original bone is fine, actually. No, it needs to be the other bone, just to be sure. And now, well, you can see I fucked it up a bit because I animated without it, but you can see it moves with it now. Okay. Okay, now you're just gonna start server, export, and then yeah, go into this thing, go into Blender, yeah, just connect, and import animation from Blender, and it should work. Yeah. Yeah.